I'm Tony at Q's, and behind me we have a Versalift STP-36. It's a cable placer. We're going to walk around it, do a little bit of video on it, tell you guys what it's all about, and demonstrate the functionality of it. This boom has a 40-foot working height, a 26-foot side reach, and a 350-pound capacity basket. So let's walk around this thing. I'll describe to you what it's all about, and we'll check it out. So from inside the cab, the driver has the capability of speaking to the worker that's in the basket up top, so you can communicate via speaker from inside the cab and out on the platform. Here's the first cabinet. There are some nice shelves in here. They are adjustable. So come on over here if you want to zero in, check out these shelves. You can put all your tools where you need in here, and you can just adjust them up and down. Here's the second storage box. Again, there's adjustable shelving in here. They have these nice weather strip seals, automotive type, for a nice clean seal. Here's the middle of the utility body, above the rear tire. That's adjustable as well. And on the driver's side, here's the last cabinet. There are some hooks up here. They're all spackled gray, and again has that nice automotive seal on it. Let's go around to the curb side. We'll check out those compartments as well. So here are where the low controls are hanging out. On the curb side, they're hanging up here. There's some hooks in here. This is the cabinet above the rear wheel. This one's open in the sense that there's not a shelf in here. Here's curb access on the body, so you can access from the curb as well as the rear of the truck. This is right in back of the cab on the curb side. There's an inverter down below and some adjustable shelves to put all your tools in once again. Alright, so enough of that. Let's fire this thing up and have some fun. So what's nice about this unit is that there's a joystick right here, and it'll allow you to simultaneously go up, down, extract out, extract in, raise and lower, and we'll demonstrate that for you in a minute. There's a separate toggle switch for the stow and stow, and there's an emergency stop and start switch right here. It also has 2 speeds, slow and fast as well. So the maximum side load with the fairly retracted is 400 pounds, and the maximum side load with the fairly extended is 350 pounds. So I'm going to fly this real quick for you guys, and I'll show you what it's all about. Intercom system. Turn it on, it's immediately functioning. You can hear the operator in the basket. And to communicate with him, you just flip the switch up to talk. Tony, can you hear me?
buddy.
As you can see, the volume is at its lowest and was still very loud. So if you're in a high traffic situation or there's a lot of noise, you'll be able to hear your operator no matter what. And you turn it off and it shuts it off.
Hey Andy, I'm all set up here. Can you move ahead on the job site?
No,
Too bad, buddy. Let's go.
I don't want it. I want to renegotiate my contract.
So as you can see, you can communicate with the driver from in the basket, and depending on the guy's day, it should be okay. So that is the Versalift STP in a nutshell. If you guys are interested in this truck, give the sales staff a call. The number below. The phone number is 800-258-1010. You can also visit us on our website. Our website is in the description of the video. Be sure to check us out. Thanks for watching, guys.